From a distance, it looks like a solid concrete block resting along the street. Almost no windows, almost no gestures. But as you begin to move through the house, you realize that this seemingly simple form hides something much more complex. This is the E20 Residence, designed by the German firm Steimle Architekten in the small town of Pliezhausen, south of Stuttgart. At first glance, the house appears as a concrete monolith, a compact volume built with insulating concrete walls about 50 centimeters thick, forming a massive shell that defines the entire architecture. As you enter, the spatial sequence begins in a compressed way. This almost closed appearance creates a sense of protection and quietness from the surroundings. A staircase leads to the main level of the house, and this is where the space expands. The shape of the house is not exactly rectangular. Its volume has angled sides that create an irregular plan, producing oblique facades oriented toward different parts of the site. This subtle gesture allows the house to gradually open toward the garden and the surrounding landscape. The kitchen, dining area, and living room connect in a single open-plan space. The interior reveals a series of sloped surfaces and folded planes that follow the irregular geometry of the building. As you move through the house, the sensation is a constant alternation between compression and openness. The windows are positioned horizontally and deeply recessed into the thickness of the concrete walls. More contained spaces transform into wide, light-filled rooms, creating a dynamic path within what appears to be a compact volume. The material palette reinforces the duality between weight and comfort. On the outside, the raw concrete reveals the texture of the wooden boards used for the formwork, creating a rough and robust surface. Inside, the concrete is smooth and contrasts with elements of solid oak wood that bring warmth to the spaces. The result is a house that appears austere from the outside, yet surprisingly rich inside. The children's bedrooms and the main bedroom are arranged around the central space. Their angled walls form parallelograms that divide the open plan into different zones of use, creating a spatial organization that is both open and clearly defined. With about 376 square meters, the E20 Residence shows how a compact architecture can create a complex spatial experience without relying on exaggerated gestures. In the end, the project reveals its logic. That silent monolith seen from the street is not just a minimalist form, it is a protective shell that hides an interior full of movement, light, and unexpected spatial relationships. A house where the real architecture only appears once you begin to explore it from within.